Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to make letters that are more artful, they'll look good in signs, or be good for calligraphy or other projects like that. In this first style I'm using two pencils spaced apart with a pencil sharpener. I know it looks really weird, but this is so that I can get thick and thin lines as I draw my letter. They're simply taped with Scotch tape. While I'm drawing, I want to make sure that I keep the tips of the pencils at the same angle. Right now I have them at a 45-degree angle and I want to maintain that angle. Now I'm ready to draw my letter using a calligraphy style. Okay, this is a little hard to see because of the way I had my pencils tipped. One of them was making more contact than the other, but there's a line about here and a line here. Now, once you get your main shape of your letter, you can clean it up a little bit. Lots of fonts have thick and thin lines, and that's all I was trying to accomplish, was to get the thick and thin lines of this letter. I'm basically just outlining the edges of this and sort of changing. I changed this bottom part a little bit. But afterwards I can erase the pencil marks. And you can, of course, change something up. I could make a little swirl right here or something like that. Then my letter has a different look to it, and I can decorate it all around with embellishments, flowers, swirls, Celtic knots, geometric patterns, whatever I want. For a block letter, start by drawing the letter, then trace around it, leaving an equal distance of space between the guide letter and the outline, then erase the guidelines, the original letter. If you want to add 3D effects, you can add lines off of the corners as if they're going to a vanishing point. Here I'm also adding some shading to make my letter stand out, as well as adding Sharpie so that my letter's nice and bold. Here I'm drawing with two Sharpies taped together, but I'm holding them almost at a flat angle instead of a 45-degree angle. This gives the letter thick and thin lines. In this letter, I'm starting by drawing the main shape of the letter, making vertical lines thicker and horizontal lines thinner. Look in books or online for ideas of how to shape your letter and how to decorate your letter. There's a whole lot of other ways to make letters too, but these are just a few examples. I hope this is helpful for you guys as you work on your own letters.